A Tesla Cybertruck was seen going through a challenging water crossing at Coney Flats, which is known for its deep water and rocky terrain. The truck handled that so effortlessly. This serves as a practical demonstration of the Cybertruck's wade mode and its overall off-road prowess, countering skepticism about electric vehicles' suitability for such tasks. Most trucks would be hydro-locked going through this water crossing. People think EVs have problem with water, but more ICE vehicles are destroyed in floods and going through puddles than EVs. That's next-level engineering. Turning this Cybertruck into a water-ready beast with wade mode is seriously impressive. Cybertruck's wade mode, a feature that raises the vehicle's ride height and pressurizes the battery to protect it from water ingress, allowing it to drive through shallow bodies of water safely.